Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. Sam had a bad day. Again. Sam had a bad day. Your turn to read, children. My dad has a red cup. Again. My dad has a red cup. Your turn to read, children. Tom got mad. Again. Tom got mad. Your turn to read, children. Roy is a tall lad. Again. Roy is a tall lad. Your turn to read, children. I have a pad of paper. Again. I have a pad of paper. Your turn to read, children. Tina feels sad. Again. Tina feels sad. Your turn to read, children. Anna wants a new bag. Again. Anna wants a new bag. Your turn to read, children. Mama is about to nag. Again. Mama is about to nag. Your turn to read, children. My toy has a price tag. Again. My toy has a price tag. Your turn to read, children. This dog can wag its tail. Again. This dog can wag its tail. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. Sam had a bad day. My dad has a red cup. Tom got mad. Roy is a tall lad. I have a pad of paper. Tina feels sad. Anna wants a new bag. Mama is about to nag. My toy has a price tag. This dog can wag its tail. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.